she just loves the flower garden over there. Then yesterday she accidentally tipped that thing down, and now she stays way away from it.
It scared her.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, how funny.
Well, now they're not doing anything cute.
But you are. You're cute. This is Saturday, June 20th, and we're all together here at Mom and Dad's before we go to Dorothy and Bert's wedding anniversary celebration.
Cheryl's taking pictures of dogs licking
Yeah.
each other.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like it.
Oh,
Oh, cute. Mm.
Well, Chloe is usually much more active than
Yeah.
that.
Well, maybe she recognizes this is a bigger dog.
Yeah.
Huh.
She
Well,
runs
this dog would
after
keep
big
her busy.
dogs, though.
Oh.
Not this one.
Jersey's ready to play though.
Jersey's right in her face.
Oh, they just gave each other a kiss.
Oh.
Look at Jersey's tail.
Yes.
she's afraid of her.
The Chloe afraid.
Yeah.
Oh, I
She's
don't.
pretty submissive. She's
She must seem awful big, you know.
because she's used to Muffy on her level,
Oh,
you
yeah.
know.
She drives him up crazy.
Oh yeah. But they do have a friend that owns a Weimar,
Oh, out of the
Weimaraner,
garden.
and that dog just bats at her once in a while. Like, you're
really?
getting on my nerves now.
Oh,
Just bat at her.
Huh.
Oh, how cute. Oh.
Yeah, she just kind of waits up.
Jersey has to get down to her level, so she's crawling around. Ah. Look at that tail.
Uh-huh. It's like this is the first time she's being
Yeah, no, she's...
aggressed on. This is a
Yeah.
different.
This is totally new.
Uh-huh.
Socialization.
Usually she goes after Muffy, and Muffy's doing that.
Chloe goes after
Muffy
every other
doesn't
dog.
like
Oh.
No, Muffy
Oh,
never.
no. She was
never
gonna do it
has
for your
one.
age.
Yeah. Goes into her figure eights.
Well, that's probably, we get the picture. They like each other. Now, I'll stop and